Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing a zippo giveaway and a knife giveaway. The first prize is going to be a zippo because my channel is mainly for zippos, and the second prize is going to be a Rough Rider baby toothpick P. Yeah, and right, let me just do this. Yeah, and for the zippo. Yeah. Right. So I'll go through the details and then I'll show you. So that's first prize and that's second prize. What you have to do is tell me why you want this knife and zippo, because you're not going to win both, but why you would want this knife and zippo, and what your favourite and knife is. So your favourite knife and zippo, and why you want to win this. And so I'll just show you, and this will be ending in a week to 2 weeks. Just keep on watching my videos and it'll just come up. Okay, so here is the Playboy bunny. Let me just get this out. Okay, so here's the box, and here's all the details on the guarantee, and that, so it comes all nice. So do you like this? It's armor cased. Look how thick that one is compared to. Yeah. So it's got a new flint in, and a zippo insert, just a normal zippo insert. So that's the zippo. And this is now the Rough Rider. It'll come in a bag, and some bubble wrap just to keep it. Okay, so this is the Rough Rider baby toothpick. I'm giving away. I don't like it that much, so don't know if you can see that, but it does say 440 razor sharp steel. No, it says China because it's made in China. 440 razor sharp steel. And on the other side, it just has a nice little symbol. I'll get in a jeweler's loop. I've ordered it already, so. And yeah, it's really nice. It's a slip joint. So you have to do a video response to why you want this. So let's do a little cut test. So it's lemon sharp. But I'm not very good at cutting, so look. Let's just give you a close up to the bird. So I haven't sharpened it, had it for like 2 weeks. So that's what you'll be winning. This is second prize, and the zippo's first prize. And I'll send you a message to say that you've won, but you'll probably watch the video anyway. So you have to be subscribed to me as well, so you have to be a subscriber. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, please comment, rate and subscribe.